Hey there, JD and FIA. I'm going to show you 4 chords you can use on your left hand. All right. And with these 4 chords, you will be able to play a multitude of songs. Intro, I played the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and Old MacDonald's had a form just to show you that just pretty much just about anything will work on this song. So learn the progression, practice it, see what songs you can put with it, and go from there. We're in the key of C. All right. So the progression is going to be going 1, sharp 1, 2, and then essentially a 5 back to 1. All right, so first we're playing a C major 7 chord, left hand. All of this will be in the left hand. So I have a C, E, G, and B. Next I'm playing a D flat diminished 7. All I'm doing is bringing the 2 out notes, the C and the B, up a half step to D flat and B flat, and everything else is staying the same, the E and G. So all together I have D flat, E, G, B flat. So, all right. Then I'm gonna go to a D minor 7 chord. I have D, F, A, and C. Gonna hit that one time. Then I'm gonna go to a D minor 7 flat 5, and I'm just gonna bring the A to an A flat. So I have D, F, A flat, C. All right, this is D minor 7 flat 5. All right, then I'm gonna go to a G7 sus. The only thing I'm gonna do though to play that is take the A flat down to G. So my finger here is going from A flat to the G, and everything else is staying the same. All right, so it's 1, 2, 3. All right, and then I'm gonna bring my thumb down from C to play a regular G7 chord. All right, so let me give you the notes for this G7 sus. I have D, F, G, and C. All right, and then I have a G7. So that's D, F, G, and B. But the important thing is to remember how I'm getting there. I'm going, just bringing the outside in. All right, and then I'm going to a D minor 7, and I'm gonna work this finger here. A flat, G, and then come down from the C to the B, and then back to my C major 7. So you can use this sustain pedal if you want to, or you can, however you want to do it. I'm just gonna make up a melody on my right hand. Just making up something. All right, just mess around. All right. You can also take a lot of different songs, gospel songs, secular songs. Just play around with it. I just want to keep this video quick, so I'm not going to go into it. So just practice along with that and see what you come up with. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.